to T.E.K. Budget Shoppers. Today I have a large Walgreens haul to share with you. As usual, all items featured in today's video will be donated to charities in my local community. Today's findings come from a total of 6 Walgreens stores. To start off, we have 4 of these vitamin C raspberry 30 counts. They retail for $11.99 and we paid $1.19 for 2 of them and 59 cents for them. There was a buy one get one half off deal. Next we have 4 of these Mucus DN liquid gel 16 count tablets. They were $11.99 retail. We paid $1.19 for 3 of them and 59 cents for 1 of them. Next we have 6 of these Saline mist sprays. They were $8.79 each retail price, and we paid 88 cents for 3 of them and 44 cents for 3 of them. Next up we have these 7 count of a Walborn berry tabs, kind of like a emergency tablet, fizzy tablet. They were $6.79 retail price. We paid 34 cents for 4 of them and 68 cents for 3 of them. Next we have a 6 count of Theraflu sinus and pain relief tea. It was a 6 count. They were $10.49 retail. We paid $1.09 for each of them. Next we have 2 of these Duracell hearing aid batteries. They're the 10 Easy Tab 8 counts. They were $10.99 retail. We paid $1.09 out of pocket. Next we have these Flu Relief Mix strawberry tablets. There's 20 count. They were $6.79 retail and we paid 34 cents for one and 68 cents for another one. Next we have these Nyquil Super Combo 26 count. There was 3 of them. $16.99 retail price. We paid $1.69. We also found 2 of these Nice and Easy blue black hair dyes. $9.29 retail and we paid 93 cents each. We found 5 of these Ricola Echinacea Honey Lemon cough drops, 19 count. They were $3.49 retail. We paid 35 cents. We also found 6 of these Glow and Go folding canes. We had actually found some of these at our last Walgreens haul. $33.90 retail and we paid $3.39. Kind of a random find here. They had pencil 20 counts. They were $3.99 retail and we paid 20 cents for one and 40 cents for the other. We also went a little crazy on the cough drops. We got 34 of these Hall's cough drop menthol lips, I'm not sure, 30 count. They were $2.99 retail and we bought them for 30 cents each. We also got 8 of these Hall's Defense vitamin C citrus flavor, 30 count, $2.99 retail, and we paid 30 cents each. We also found this random cast-in wound protector. It was $18.99 retail and we paid $1.89. Next we have 4 of these Certainty underwear, small medium, 32 count. They were $17.99 retail and we paid $1.79. We also got 2 of these same underwear in the extra large, 26 count, $17.99 retail. We paid $1.19. We also found 2 of these Certainty underwear small medium, 44 count. They were $21.99 retail and we spent $2.19. Another school supply, 2 of these binder dividers. They were $2.99 retail and we spent 30 cents on them. We got these at our last Walgreens store. There were 14 of them. They are a Walgreens triple antibiotic ointment. They were $4.99 retail and we spent 24 cents on 7 of them and 49 cents for the other 7. We also found this Burt's Bees nasal spray. It was $6.49 retail and we paid 65 cents. We also found 4 of these Microban sprays. They were $5.99 retail. We paid 60 cents each. And lastly, 4 of these Alka-Seltzer cold 20 count tablets. They were $10.99 retail and we paid $1.29 out of pocket each. So, from 6 Walgreens stores, we ended up with 125 individual items. There's a total retail value of $1,040.08. Out of pocket, we paid only $97.97, which is a total savings of 90.6%. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of our clearance price goodies. Stay tuned for future videos to see what bargains we find next.